Let's start with the first fact. The first recorded medical school was established in ancient Greece, around 431 BCE. The school was known as the Asclepion and was dedicated to the Greek god of healing, Asclepius. Up next, the first successful heart transplant was performed in 1967 by South African surgeon Christiaan Barnard. This groundbreaking surgery made headlines around the world and paved the way for many more successful heart transplants. On number 3, the human body contains trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the microbiome, which play a vital role in human health. These microorganisms help us digest food, boost our immune system, and protect us from harmful bacteria. Number 4, medical researchers are exploring the potential of stem cells to regenerate damaged tissue and organs, which could revolutionize treatment of many diseases. Stem cell therapy has already been successful in treating certain types of cancer and autoimmune disorders. Number 5. The first ambulance service was established in Cincinnati, Ohio in 1865, and was operated by the Cincinnati Commercial Hospital. Before the advent of modern ambulances, injured patients were often transported by horse-drawn wagons or makeshift stretchers. Up next, the ancient Egyptians were skilled in medical practices and developed techniques such as setting broken bones and performing complex surgeries, including brain surgery. They also created some of the earliest known medical texts, which documented their medical knowledge and practices. Number 7, the concept of quarantine originated in 14th century Italy during the Black Death, when ships arriving in Venice from plague-stricken areas were required to anchor for 40 days before disembarking. This practice was known as 40 giorni, which means 40 days in Italian. Number 8. The first successful kidney transplant was performed in 1954 by American surgeon Joseph Murray, who later won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for his work. Kidney transplants are now a common and successful treatment for end-stage kidney disease. 9.
During World War I, a group of British doctors and nurses known as the Order of St. John helped treat wounded soldiers on the front lines,
often working under dangerous conditions and coming under fire themselves. 10. The Black Death, a deadly plague that swept through Europe in the 14th century, was one of the deadliest pandemics in history, killing an estimated 75 to 200 million people. It eventually had killed around 30 to 50% of the entire population of Europe. Number 11. Up next, during the American Civil War, women known as nurses, although they did not yet have formal training, played a critical role in caring for wounded soldiers on both sides of the conflict. Number 13. In the 19th century, Florence Nightingale became famous for her work as a nurse during the Crimean War, where she implemented innovative practices such as hand washing and disease prevention. And last but not least, the field of medical ethics has evolved over time, with the first medical code of ethics being developed by the American Medical Association in 1847. These have been a few facts about the history of medics. We hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more from us on a daily basis, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more.